Hello, Patrick Henry. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, March the 5th, 2021. I hope you all are well and that your week is going well. I would like to start off by just thanking some of our presenters from last week's Friday meeting. Alyssa James. Alyssa, you did a really excellent job with your VIP speech. Having a positive attitude is so very important, and you are one of the most positive students that I know, and you did a great job on your speech, so thank you for sharing that with us. I'd like to thank Ms. Short's class for their Black History Month presentation, and also Ms. Stark's class for their Black History Month presentation as well. The students did a magnificent job, so thank you all for sharing with us what you're learning in the classroom. Today we're going to start off with 5th grader Aaron Bowling, and he has our VIP for the week. We are also going to follow that up with a presentation from several of our teachers. They have something special to share with us, and I will be back when they're done to read our kachas for the week.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, students, teachers, and staff. My name is Aaron Bowling. Today, I want to talk about a very important person, also known as a VIP, who has taught me about perseverance and endurance. Perseverance means the will to keep going until the job is done, and endurance means going through something difficult without giving up. Raise your hand if you have a role model you look up to. Let me tell you about my role model. I have known role model my whole life, and she is my grandmother. There was a time when my football team lost the playoff game, and I also got a C on my test, which made me really down. I did not want to play football anymore, and I did not want to go to school the next day. My grandmother told me if you want to go to the NFL, you had to dream big and keep going and not give up. This is very similar to what Gillian Anderson said. Just remember, you can do anything you set your mind to, but it takes action, perseverance, and facing your fears. Gillian Anderson is a well-known actress. She was an actress in one of grandmother's favorite shows called The X-Files. Michael Phelps is a former American swimmer, and he has won many gold medals. Michael Phelps wrote, "You can't put a limit on anything. The more you dream, the further you get." Whenever you are feeling down on yourself, think about what my grandmother told me. There is nothing you cannot do. You can do anything if you believe in yourself. Keep on pushing. The next football season, I played very hard and we won the playoff and championship games. I was also the MVP. I listened to my grandmother and I did not give up. I kept on going and got the job done. Thank you. Thank you for your time and have a great Friday.
of 100 cars.
That's the 100th one, big one. Now, this is his 100th car. It's a huge one. Those are his 100 cars.
you, Erin, for your VIP, and thank you to the teachers for sharing. We enjoyed your presentation so much, and we appreciate all that you do. I'm going to go right into our gotchas for the week, and the first one is Erin Bowling. This is from Miss Price. Erin Bowling is working hard and growing stronger and stronger in language arts. He gained 31 points of growth in his recent MAP test, and he likes participating in class and is excited when he scores. And she is so proud of your growth, Erin, and so am I. You are doing an amazing job. Thank you. Layla Jackson was having a difficult time with her internet and was a little shy about having her camera on, so she wasn't as involved in her learning as she wanted to be, but she has since turned things around totally, and she is present on her camera, and she actively engages in the lesson and with her small group. Her grades are improving, and her confidence has grown. Way to go, Layla. Good job. Miss Price wants to give a big round of applause to the Lions group. They are the class that believes in cheering for each other and pushing each other when they want to give up. They have a great way of encouraging each other, and it is so heartwarming for Miss Price to see. Good job, Lions group. And as of today, 5th grade has read a total of, are you ready for this? 1,750 books. She is so proud of her 5th graders. Great job, 5th grade. These are from Mr. LaPrade, and he wants to catch Ariel Green in Miss Morante's class. Ariel has shown bravery Wednesday in the Lightbulb Library by reading a book that she picked with her classmates. She did an excellent job. Ariel, I'm assuming you read that out loud to your classmates. I am so proud of you. That can be a scary thing, but you stepped up and you did it. Awesome job. All right, Miss Schwartz would like to catch her entire homeroom for being so patient and responsible while we were having technical issues during their Monticello field trip. So thank you to Miss Schwartz class for their patience and understanding. This is from Miss George, kindergarten. She would like to recognize Katie Morrison, Ty Greco, and Matthew Henderson for having a great conversation about Baby Yoda during social time. They took turns speaking, listened to each other, asked each other questions, and stayed on topic. It was a great example about how to have a conversation. Liliana Bohannon for being so excited about learning. She loves reading, math, and attending all of our groups. She brings such positive energy. Very good, Liliana. And Miss George also wants to thank all of her kids for what they do, and she is very happy to have the opportunity for gotchas and that we read these every week. So they are fun, Miss George. It's one of the favorite things that I get to do is to read the gotchas every week. It makes me happy. All right. This is from the PTA. As you know, we're all having to participate in our yearbook this year, which is a lot of fun. But the PHSSA PTA would like to catch all of the teachers who added photographer to their expanding resumes earlier this week by taking the virtual class photos for the yearbook. We know our teachers' plates are overflowing already, and the PTA is so grateful for the patience and care that the teachers showed while working with their students to get the best class photo possible under these very unusual circumstances. Thanks to our teachers and students for their cooperation with our first ever virtual class photo day. And also, we'd like to remind all students, teachers, and staff to submit their individual portraits this month for the yearbook. So thank you all for working with PTA to get our virtual yearbook up and running. It will be beautiful and it will be different, and so we're all going to love it. So thank you, PTA, for all that you do for us. And that's all that I have for this week. I'd like to wish you all a happy Friday and a happy weekend, and hopefully the sun will still stay shining. We've had enough rain, haven't we? Everyone take care, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.